Hello, my name is Shane Mehdi and this is my video for the week 7 task of drawing two parabolas in a rectangle with their central axes at 90 degrees. So the first parabola that I drew here was this parabola. How you construct a parabola is quite simple. So first of all you need to find your central axis, and this goes right up here. Your vertex, which is the very top point of your parabola, will always lie on the central axis. So out from the central axis, along the base here, I divided the lines up into 5, and I drew these lines parallel with the central axis. Along the side of my parabola, I also divided up into 5. When I divided up into 5, I drew all these lines towards the vertex. So let's say we call this line here line 1 and this line here line 1. So where line 1 going at parallel to the central axis meets line 1 going towards the vertex, that's one point in your parabola. Where the second point in meets the second line going up here, that's your second point in the parabola. To draw the other side of the parabola, you could use axis of reflection, but I just did the same thing again. I divided my line here at the sides up into 5 and did the same here on the bottom. To draw the second parabola where the central axis is going at 90 degrees to the first parabola we drew, I did the exact same thing again. So let's say this is the full width of my rectangle. I divided this line into 2, found my center and drew a line across, knowing that this was my central axis. Where this line here hit the side of the rectangle, that was my vertex, and I did the exact same process again. I divided this up into 5 here and divided my sides up into 5, and I was able to form a perfect parabola.